Section 1. A disease of forgetting. Unveiling Alzheimer's. Alzheimer's disease. A thief of memories, a destroyer of minds. It is a devastating neurodegenerative disease that slowly erases the essence of who we are. In 1906, Dr. Alois Alzheimer first described this enigmatic illness. He encountered a patient, Augusta Dieter, who exhibited strange behaviors and profound memory loss. Upon her death, Dr. Alzheimer examined her brain, revealing the telltale signs of the disease that would later bear his name. Alzheimer's is characterized by the progressive death of brain cells. This leads to a decline in cognitive function, affecting memory, thinking, and behavior. It robs individuals of their ability to remember, communicate, and perform even the simplest of tasks. The disease progresses relentlessly, casting a long shadow over the lives of those affected and their loved ones. The early signs of Alzheimer's can be subtle, often mistaken for normal aging. Forgetfulness, difficulty finding words, and changes in mood can be early indicators. As the disease advances, the symptoms become more pronounced. Memory loss becomes severe, disorientation sets in, and individuals may struggle to recognize familiar faces. Alzheimer's is a complex and multifaceted disease, posing significant challenges for diagnosis and treatment. There is currently no cure, and existing treatments can only manage symptoms and slow its progression. However, ongoing research offers hope for new therapies and a deeper understanding of this devastating illness. Section 2. The Silent Thief. How Alzheimer's steals the mind. Imagine a thief, silently invading the mind, stealing precious memories, and leaving behind a trail of confusion and despair. This is the insidious nature of Alzheimer's disease. It targets the very essence of who we are, our memories, our thoughts, our ability to connect with the world around us. At its core, Alzheimer's is characterized by the accumulation of abnormal protein deposits in the brain. These deposits, known as amyloid plaques and tau tangles, disrupt communication between brain cells, leading to their dysfunction and eventual death. The brain, once a vibrant network of interconnected neurons, gradually deteriorates, its intricate circuitry compromised. The hippocampus, a brain region crucial for memory formation, is among the first areas affected by Alzheimer's. This explains why memory loss, particularly of recent events, is often an early and prominent symptom. As the disease progresses, it spreads to other brain regions, affecting language, reasoning, and behavior. The progression of Alzheimer's varies from person to person. Some individuals may experience a slow decline over many years, while others may progress more rapidly. The disease typically advances through several stages, each marked by a worsening of symptoms and a decline in cognitive abilities. Section 3. A Global Challenge. The Impact of Alzheimer's. Alzheimer's disease is not just a personal tragedy, it is a global health crisis. Millions of people worldwide are living with this devastating illness, and its impact is felt far and wide. As the population ages, the number of cases is expected to rise dramatically, placing an enormous strain on healthcare systems and economies. The World Health Organization estimates that over 55 million people globally are living with dementia, with Alzheimer's disease accounting for the majority of cases. This number is projected to reach 78 million by 2030 and a staggering 139 million by 2050. The economic burden of dementia is immense, with global costs estimated at over $1 trillion per year. The impact of Alzheimer's extends beyond statistics and economic figures. It touches the lives of individuals, families, and communities worldwide. The emotional, physical, and financial toll on caregivers is immeasurable. They often face the daunting task of providing round-the-clock care for their loved ones, navigating complex medical systems, and coping with the emotional distress of witnessing their decline. Section 4. Unraveling the Mystery, the Search for a Cause. Despite decades of research, the exact causes of Alzheimer's disease remain elusive. Scientists believe that a complex interplay of genetic, environmental, and lifestyle factors contributes to its development. Age is the most significant risk factor, with the vast majority of cases occurring in people over the age of 65. Family history of Alzheimer's is another important risk factor. Certain genes, such as APOE4, have been linked to an increased risk of developing the disease. However, having these genes does not guarantee that someone will develop Alzheimer's, and many people with the disease do not have a family history. Researchers are also investigating the role of other factors, such as cardiovascular health, head injuries, and exposure to certain toxins, in the development of Alzheimer's. Lifestyle factors, such as diet, exercise, and cognitive stimulation, are also believed to play a role in maintaining brain health and potentially reducing the risk of cognitive decline. Amidst the challenges and uncertainties surrounding Alzheimer's disease, there is a glimmer of hope. Ongoing research is shedding new light on the disease's mechanisms, leading to the development of potential new treatments and diagnostic tools. One such promising avenue of research is the ERAP trial. The ERAP trial is investigating the effectiveness of a new drug that targets amyloid plaques, one of the hallmarks of Alzheimer's disease. The drug, called aducanumab, is a monoclonal antibody that binds to amyloid plaques, promoting their clearance from the brain. While the trial's results have been met with mixed reviews, it represents a significant step forward in the search for effective Alzheimer's treatments. In addition to drug development, researchers are exploring other innovative approaches such as gene therapy, stem cell therapy, and immunotherapy. These cutting-edge therapies hold the potential to modify the course of the disease, slow its progression, or even reverse some of the damage. The quest to unravel the mysteries of Alzheimer's disease is far from over. As we move forward, research will continue to play a vital role in advancing our understanding of this complex illness and developing effective treatments and preventive strategies. One promising area of research is the development of biomarkers that can detect Alzheimer's disease in its earliest stages, even before symptoms appear. Early diagnosis is crucial for allowing individuals to access treatment options that can slow the disease's progression and plan for the future. Another important area of focus is personalized medicine, tailoring treatments to an individual's unique genetic makeup and disease characteristics. This approach holds the promise of developing more targeted and effective therapies. Behind the statistics and scientific complexities of Alzheimer's disease lie countless human stories of love, loss, and resilience. These stories remind us of the profound impact this disease has on individuals, families, and communities worldwide. There's the story of Maria, a loving wife and mother, slowly slipping away into the fog of Alzheimer's. Her husband, John, becomes her steadfast caregiver, navigating the challenges of the disease with unwavering love and devotion. Maria's laughter may be gone, her memories faded, but their bond remains unbreakable. Then there's David, a retired teacher, diagnosed with early-onset Alzheimer's. Determined to live life to the fullest, he embraces his passion for painting, finding solace and expression through art. His paintings, once vibrant with life, now reflect the abstract nature of his fading memories. Alzheimer's disease is a global challenge that demands a collective response. By raising awareness, supporting research efforts, and advocating for those affected by the disease, we can make a difference in the fight against this devastating illness. We can all play a role in supporting Alzheimer's research by participating in clinical trials, donating to research organizations, and staying informed about the latest scientific advancements. By working together, we can help accelerate the development of effective treatments and one day find a cure for this devastating disease. Let us remember that behind the diagnoses, the statistics, and the scientific complexities are real people living with the daily realities of Alzheimer's disease. By offering our support, compassion, and understanding, we can make a difference in the lives of those affected by this challenging illness.